We know who's
Yeah,
going
yeah,
to win
right.
over here. We know who's going to win over here. And the person who's going to win has been preparing for the last 7 days. So it's okay. It's okay, no problem.
Guys, please, before you start, एक चीज बोल दूं कि please judge मत करना मुझे.
क्या मत
सही है?
करना?
Judge मत करना अगर गलत
Judge
आंसर हो
मत-
तो.
हाँ तो क्या फर्क
Already
पड़ता
कर लिया
है?
हमने.
सिर्फ -5
Already
देंगे
कर
और
लिया.
कुछ भी नहीं.
भाई मैं तो आंसर ही नहीं दूंगा, 0 रहेगा. ठीक है.
हाँ, ठीक है ना.
अच्छा साकर,
भाई,
can you hear us?
जैदी भाई,
We can't hear you.
जैदी भाई, A डिवीजन प्लेयर को कोई कुछ नहीं बोलता. अगर गलत
हाँ,
आंसर
फिर
भी
ठीक
दोगे.
है.
हाँ.
All the best, SD bhai.
बता
All
देता
the best.
हूँ, परमीत.
Thank you यार. Thank you.
Saker,
All the best, all player, all the best.
Saker, can we hear Saker's voice also?
Yeah. I'm here.
Okay. And Parmeet, तू भी एक बार हाँ हूँ बोल दे.
What's up, bro?
ठीक
मेरे
है.
से भी
Okay.
पूछ ले यार.
किससे? कौन है ये?
शेर भाई होगा.
शेर किधर है?
आवाज उनकी लग रही.
यार मेरा भी फैक की तरह लैग हो रहा है.
हाँ, no problem. मैं हूँ, बैठा हूँ ना. इसीलिए I was specially requested for this episode. Okay, guys. The first round is quite simple. Most of you know 2 picks will be shown, and each pick is 5 points. If you identify both the players or both the picks, you get you basically open the question, and the connecting point between the 2 players will be in the question. You answer the question correctly, that's 10 points. So 20 points up for grabs in the first round.
Lag.
Huh? So the first.
What lagging है आज?
हाँ, मालूम है मुझे. First player is SD. Let's have the first slide for Mr. Shabbir Dhanera.
अब ये कौन है?
SD. Your time has started. 2 seconds.
Grand flower.
Good answer. Okay, second.
Butler.
Okay. We'll have the connecting question for you. With regards to the dismissals, both have been dismissed. Mankat in ODIs, tests or T20s. Choose your pick.
Both have been dismissed. Mankat. T20.
That's the wrong answer. The right answer is ODIs. Both have been dismissed. Mankat out in ODIs. और अपन अश्विन को गाली देते हैं. अश्विन ने तो अभी रिसेंटली किया था, उसके पहले ये सब ड्रामा हो चुका है. So SD gets 10 points in the first round. Second was Saker.
Yeah.
Let's have the first slide, please, for Saker.
Srisan.
Okay, second.
Irfan. Mohammad Irfan.
Okay, let's have the question, please. With regards to the T20 leagues, both have taken a 5-wicket haul in T20 leagues. Both have won a T20 league, and both were suspended for spot fixing in a T20 league. Five seconds.
A. Both have won a 5-wicket haul.
Okay, that's
Both
a
have a
wrong
5-wicket
answer.
haul, I mean.
That's a wrong answer. The right answer is both were suspended for spot fixing in a T20 league. So Saker also gets 10 points. Third is Parmeet. Let's have the first.
Yes. Waqar Younis.
Okay, let's have the second slide.
Sanat Jayasuriya.
Okay, let's have the question. With regards to the ODIs, record of most boundaries hit by a batsman of a bowler. record of most runs scored by a batsman off a bowler, record of dismissing a batsman most number of times by a bowler. What is the connection between the two?
It's
5
C.
seconds.
C.
Okay, so C is the correct answer. What a player.
We say start.
Yeah, so we have 20 points for Parmeet. And the last one in this round is Zaidi. The first pick, please.
Aleem Dar.
Okay, second pick.
Your
5 seconds.
Simon Toffel.
Very good. Let's have the connecting question, please. So with regards to ODI World Cup final, both officiated in which World Cup? 2011, 15 or 19?
I think 2011.
That's the right answer. Raptors go with a bang, 20 points in the first round. So I think Parmeet and Zaidi are on 20 each and Sakar and SD are on 10 points.
Big difference.
Right. So we'll go to round 2. You get to pick from a host of topics. Choose the topic, answer the right, give it the right answer and get 10 points. No negatives. Let's go for the topics, please. The first player in this round is Sakar.
Okay, nicknames.
Nicknames. Can we have nicknames, please? Due to his confidence and tendency to play extravagant shots, especially a wide array and variations of sweep shots.
Maxwell.
That's the correct answer. 10 points to you. Next one is Parmeet. Parmeet, choose the top. Controversy. As goes with the name. Let's have the question, please. In a series of events from late 2005 to early 2006, Sourav Ganguly was involved in a controversy with which Australian former captain?
Greg Chappell.
That's the right answer. Are the questions easy or are the boys well prepared? Third player is
me.
Zaidi.
So I can choose any of them, yeah?
No, you can't choose controversy and nicknames. You can choose between the other four.
Okay. I'll go with opposition.
You'll go with opposition. Yuzvendra Chahal's best bowling figures in T20 internationals of 6 for 25 in 4 overs was against which team?
I think Sri Lanka.
Huh? That's the wrong answer. It was versus England at Bengaluru in 2017. And the final SD, your pick.
बचा क्या?
Rankings. Okay. Let's go for that. Which team is currently ranked number 1 in ICC T20?
T20 rankings.
Ji sir.
It's not me.
Where's the timer gone?
Australia.
Okay, the answer is correct. So everybody gets 10 points, I think, except Zaidi. Okay, so let's move on to round 3. You want to see the scores or we'll move on to round 3?
No, let's move on.
Okay, so round 3 is basically the rapid fire round, and you have to say your name. After saying your name, answer within 10 seconds. If you're not able to answer, that's -5. For every correct answer, you get 10 points. Guys, how are you feeling so far?
Good, enjoying.
Sleepy.
So far, it's been, I think, a pretty easy quiz compared to the previous episodes. SD is smiling. Easily shows it's nice and easy. Chalo, let's go for the first question. Which team has hit the maximum sixes in an ODI innings?
Which team?
Murtaza.
Yes, Murtuza.
Is it Afghanistan?
Actually, it's not Afghanistan. It's England versus Afghanistan. So tough luck there. -5. The first -5 coming up of the day. Let's have the question, please. Who's the only South African to be dismissed handling the ball in ODIs?
Handling the ball.
Yes. Time up. The correct answer is Daryl Cullinan.
Wait,
ये तो
कौन था
बता।
प्लेयर कौन था
ये कौन है भाई?
है
है
कौन भाई?
कौन सा प्लेयर?
भाई हम
अरे यार-
90s के पैदावार हैं यार, हमसे ऐसे सवाल नहीं पूछो।
अरे भाई होता है
मैं 2 साल का था
चलो।
एचएस भाई ये टाइम पे।
लेकिन अभी तू सबसे बड़ा है?
इसीलिए कहते हैं ब्रश अप ऑन योर हिस्ट्री। चलो ठीक है, लेट्स हैव द थर्ड क्वेश्चन प्लीज। Which is the only team whose 8 out of 10 batsmen were dismissed bowled in an ODI match? Time up.
ODI match.
Let's have the answer. That's New Zealand.
Hmm.
Come on, guys, buck up.
Can we guess after the time up?
Yeah, after the timer, you can take a guess. So let's do that. Let's have the fourth question. Which player has played the maximum number of ODIs? Very simple, very easy. Go for it, guys.
Permeet.
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 अरे
Sachin
तुम्हारी ऐसी
Tendulkar.
रहती है, I said.
Sachin
Yes.
Tendulkar.
Yes. Any guesses? How many he has played?
More than 400, I guess.
Permeet?
Somewhere around 400.
No. His last
463.
was against.
So that's Parmeet getting the first correct answer for this round. Let's go for the fifth question. Who was the player of the series in the 2011 ODI?
Permeet.
Parmeet.
Yuvraj Singh.
अरे मैंने
युवराज
जेडी
सिंह।
जेडी बोला यार।
नहीं,
Yuvraj
बाद
Singh.
में आया। Yuvraj Singh is the correct answer. It's okay. 5 more questions left. 50 more points to go. ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है, कर सकते हो. Let's have the sixth question, please. Which Indian wicketkeeper has effected the most dismissals in a test match?
SD.
11 for India. SD, tell me.
SD.
Bol. SD.
Dhoni.
Wrong.
The wrong answer. Rishabh
Rishabh
Pant.
Punt.
That's -5 for you versus Australia and Adelaide. 4 more to go. 7th question, please. Apart from Kuldeep Yadav, who's the only other Indian to take 5-wicket hauls in all 3 formats? Ashwin, Kumar, Shami, Jadeja.
Permeet.
Yes, Parmeet.
Jaddu.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is Bhuvi. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Come on, guys. 3 more to go. Next question, please. Who holds the record of playing the most number of consecutive T20 international innings without scoring a duck? It's a very easy answer.
Zedi.
Yes, Zedi, tell me.
I guess Shoaib Malik.
नहीं भाई, पाकिस्तान से बाहर निकल के बात करो, पड़ोसी मुल्क का है.
इंडिया की आ रहा है.
Any guesses? MS Dhoni. -5 for Zedi. Chalo, next question. Who's the youngest player to score a test century?
Youngest player.
Murtaza.
Yes, Sakar.
Is it Ashraful?
Yes, that's the right answer.
Mohammad Ashraful?
Yes, that's the right answer. And the last one. Who holds the record of best bowling figures of 6 for 12 in IPL?
Parmeet.
Murtaza.
Yes, Parmeet.
Sohail Tanveer. Sohail Tanveer.
Wrong answer. Anyone who wants to guess?
Azari. I said. I don't.
ये कौन है?
यार ये वेस्ट इंडीज का बंदा है, young cricketer. He's 23 years old.
अच्छा.
And he had played only one game for Mumbai. He took this one. Fuck.
Family show है, family show. Parmeet, control kar. I understand your emotions. Want to see the scores? Momo, let's have the scores.
Scores are Parmeet at 40, Saker at 25, SD and Zaidi at 15.
What a player, Parmeet. What a player. So now we know who was preparing for the last 1 week. Come on. So basically, next round is your bumper round. Each question you can score up to 20 points, and total of 60 points for up for grabs. And trust me, the round, the questions, whatever they may sound, but the answers are very easy. Very popular players. Go for the pick. Go for the guess. So best of luck, guys. Let's have the first clue. I was the captain in the Under-19 World Cup in 2008, where we lost to India in the semi-final. Second clue. I scored ducks in my first 2 ODIs, but scored a century on Test debut. Come on, guys. Third clue. My highest Test score is 242 versus Sri Lanka in 2015.
Murtaza.
Yes, Saker.
Is it Rohit Sharma?
Wrong answer. Anybody else wants to take a guess? Okay, let's have the final clue. I was the player of the series in the 2019
SD.
ODI World Cup. Yes, SD.
Kane Williamson.
Good answer. De raha hai, durust hai. So SD gets 5 points because he got the correct answer on the fourth clue, and Saker gets -5. Let's have the second question. Clue. First clue. I scored the fastest triple century in Test cricket of 278 balls.
Murtaza.
Yes, Saker.
Sehwag.
Yes, correct answer. 20
Hello.
points to Saker. Huh?
Sehwag.
I got it. 20 points to you.
Sorry. It got lag. That's why. Sorry.
No, I got it. And the final question. First clue. I'm the first Kerala Ranji player to play T20 internationals for India.
Murtaza.
Yes, Saker.
Sreesanth.
Yes, good answer. That's 20 more points to you. Sweep the last round. Let's have the final scores, please.
Final scores are Saker leads at 60, Parmeet at 40, SD 20, and Zaidi at 15.
यार इंडिया और आईपीएल से तो बाहर निकलते थोड़ा.
दिया था ना, न्यूजीलैंड का कैप्टन का दिया था, बता ही नहीं पाया आप.
चलो राउंड ओवर खत्म.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Anyways,
take
guys,
care.
well played. Everybody well played, well attempted.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you.
Thanks.
Okay, tata, bye-bye.